Oh, so one thing I want to get done is the handbrake on, or the electronic handbrake lever on my wife's car, because where is it? It's broken, as you can see. Plastic clips in there have broken away, causing it to not work properly, and the only way that we can get the handbrake off is by her lovely number 7 end there. And as you can see there, there's it's broken. So where those white bits are there, that's handbrake on, that's handbrake off. So the only way that we can do it is handbrake on, handbrake off. So what I want to try and do is get all of this cowling off, because we have to get the serial number, because Hyundai are not sure which one it is, because it might be a discontinued unit. They can't give us an outright reason why, so I have to figure that out. Once I figured that out, I can phone up Hyundai and get the new unit. So we'll get that done today and go from there. Yeah, okay, bye. So just replacing this handbrake module down here. We've got a new one, which unfortunately is not cheap from the main dealer, because I just couldn't find one at a breaker's yard or anything like that. And apparently, according to Hyundai, it's a crossover, so it's a different switch to some of the other ones. So we managed to previously get a part number and actually find the right one. So we've got the right one. We've got the right one here, as you can see. So we're going to fit that today, and hopefully it's going to be a nice and easy one. So all you have to do is just get in the back here, lift your pouch up, your armrest up there, and there should be a little, get in there. It should pop out quite easily if my tools don't decide to break. Should just lift it up. There we go. There's one side, and there's the other. And then the front should lift up on the clip. So all you have to do is just, we do it from this side here. There should be a little electrical connector there. Unplug that, and then there should be 8, I think, screws under there to undo. So we'll get onto that. That's if I had the right adapter and all of that, so just bear with me 2 seconds. Right, so yeah, finally got the right screwdriver. For some strange reason I thought it was a Torx, but it's not, it's a Phillips screwdriver. So just got to take out the few screws. As you do. Sometimes they can be a bit difficult when you drop them.
Got a very brown arm.
As in dirt, or just a tanned machine.
Joe's arm tanned.
I have to get out on this one. Show my ass crack up in a minute. Some of this loom. There we go, we've got a bit more of an angle now to get this off. So you get the 8 screws from around the module. I think that that is it. I can't see now. That should come out. And then you take that off there at the bottom because that's for your clip through your wiring. So I want to just put this in, make sure it works. They did say it was a plug and play, so hopefully. Just have my foot on the, make sure it's out of gear. There we go. So what you want to do, as my missus says, because she's the one that, and she's a habit of one fingering when she should two finger, just to save both sides of the switch. So two finger up and two finger down. And effectively it's a plug and play, so it is right, and it works. So we just got to put it back together now. We've just unclip the connector just to make sure we're not making everything tight. Put it in, you put that bottom back in for that white long cable there, and it's just the case, if my big feet's not in the way, of putting everything back together.
That will keep being until you shut the driver's
That
door,
will
won't
do,
it?
that will do, yeah, you're right. Let's just screw these back in. I'm not bothered about a bing or a bong.
Yeah.
I'm not a druggie, but I'm still not bothered about a bong. There's that one. There's that one. And unfortunately, I did lose a screw to the abyss, but everything works fine, so one screw's not going to be the end of the world. Last but not least, for screws. As you can see, and then all we have to do is just plug it back in there, put that cable, so now we lower it down. We have to move again because I'm not the smallest of people. Put that around there. Effectively just sure lower everything down and start it up again. Make sure we haven't left anything disconnected. Two finger handbrake off, and it works. And now we want to see is if it's got the auto, and make sure the seat belt's on. Close your door, my love. And it comes up. Auto hold works. And there we go. One fitted handbrake. All good.
I might want to put it back on then.
Oh yeah. You want to do that. This car's too old for it to automatically come on by itself. But yeah, that is everything.